In this video, I am going to show you how to create this paper unfold transition in just a few simple steps inside Premiere Pro. Alright, you can see that I have already set up a full HD resolution sequence, and I have 2 different video clips in the timeline. Additionally, I already have an unfolded paper asset and a sound effect on my computer. You can download all the assets using the link provided in the video description. Now, let's drag and drop the paper unfold video file onto the timeline in video layer 3, positioning it precisely at the end of the first video clip. Now, you can see the ripped paper transition file looks something like this. Next, I am going to move the first video clip to the second track on the timeline. And then, let's focus on the first video clip and make a precise cut at the very start of the transition. Now, let's move over to the effects panel to apply a track matte key effect to the first video clip. After that, make sure the first video footage is selected and move over to the Effect Controls panel to customize the track matte key effect. Next, I am going to select the third track as the matte layer, because that transition file is in video layer 3. After making this selection, you should observe that there are no noticeable changes in the program monitor. So now, we have to go to the Effects panel to apply an effect to the paper unfold file. This is a Luma key effect, and then we need to move over to the Effect Controls panel to customize the Luma key effect. After making this selection, you should observe the noticeable changes in the program monitor. In the next step, we need to duplicate the paper file and place it 1 track above, and then we have to select the hard light mode from the blending mode parameter. Alright, as you can see in the program monitor, we have created the unfold paper transition. After that, we have to move the second video clip to the start of the transition. And then, let's focus on the second video clip and make a precise cut at the end position of the transition. In the next step, we will be applying a frame hold effect to enhance our transition. To begin, let's focus on the first video clip and move the time indicator exactly 1 frame forward and make a precise cut at this new position in the first video clip. This segment can now be removed, leaving us with a short clip. Now, let's right-click on this remaining short clip and click on the Add Frame Hold, and then right-click on this remaining short clip and navigate to Frame Hold Options. In this new window, I will choose the endpoint from the Hold menu to specify where the frame hold will begin. Finally, we will extend this freeze frame to reach the end position of the transition. In the same way, we need to add a frame hold effect for the second video clip. To begin, let's focus on the second video clip. After that, we need to move the time indicator exactly 1 frame backward and make another cut at this new position in the second video clip. Now, let's right-click on this remaining short clip and click on the Add Frame Hold, and then right-click on this remaining short clip and navigate to Frame Hold Options. In this new window, I will choose the Out point from the Hold menu to specify where the frame hold will begin. Alright, we have successfully completed all the necessary steps for the transition. Lastly, we need to incorporate the paper sound effect to enhance the visual transition. This audio element will help create a more dynamic and attention-grabbing experience for the audience. In this way, you can create a really simple and nice paper unfold transition in Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video and leave a comment.